Hey, it's Nick from Family Handyman. We've known for decades that a garage isn't simply a place to park a car. It's often an extension of the home, housing a workshop or even additional living space. We set out to find a family in need of a unique garage conversion, a space for work and entertainment as well.
We've lived here for 14 years and we really haven't done anything since we've moved in terms of remodeling. And the garage was always just a garage. Nice big space, but kind of a mess and just a place to keep things. And so we decided to do something different, but we did not expect this.
My editors did a great job selecting and implementing a whole series of DIY projects that transformed this garage from an ordinary space to an amazing home theater. One of the most dramatic transformations we made to the space was adding an epoxy coating to the floors. Not only did it give the floors a finished look, but it will protect them for years to come. It also makes it super easy to sweep out the floor for movie night, and the application is dead simple. The hardest part about this was waiting for the floor to dry.
I love the TV cabinet, but honestly my favorite part is the floor. I think it completely transformed the garage. Just makes me happy that it looks clean, hides the imperfections, and with the sweep, it looks brand new.
Although our garage was insulated from the onset, we decided to add a mini split heating and cooling unit to counteract both summer and winter temps. Really easy to install, just about plug and play, and the key here that makes it so DIY friendly is that the lines come pre-charged.
Well, I love the fact that we can just, with the push of a button, keep the temperature minimal, and now we can use this space all year round.
The garage is a great place to store equipment, until it's not. We added a unique feature to our garage build-out in the form of an equipment elevator. Now, out-of-season gear can be out of sight and out of mind. Believe it or not, this project is really DIY friendly. Once you figure out the positioning of where you want your elevator, it's no more difficult than just cutting a hole through the ceiling.
I love the idea of having an elevator in the garage. It helps us keep everything up in the attic and keep this place tidy.
One of my favorite projects in this garage is this slick dual-function entertainment cabinet. When it's closed, it hides and protects the TV and electronics. When it's time for the movie, the doors slide open and block light from coming in from the windows. Our editors came up with this design from scratch and I think they did a bang-up job. I love the finishing touch of the cherry wood doors.
I love the cabinet. I think the cherry doors especially elevate the space while still it's functional, and then we can cover the TV when it's not in use, but still provides a great space for entertainment when we're ready to use it.
There are never enough outlets in the garage. We added this wire mold raceway to be able to put the outlets exactly where we wanted and needed them. Just like all the projects that we do, all of these are available step by step on our website.
I think this garage space is going to be a great benefit to the family. First of all, we can find things now. It's clean, it's polished, it's a fresh start. When we started this project, all I really wanted to do was declutter and clean the space up. I had no idea that it would ultimately end up with a home theater, a mini split unit that allows temperature control, a lift that allows us to put things into the attic much easier, and my favorite part, the floor. Now it's a great space for us to be able to hang out with our friends and family and entertain more often.